Welcome to this video on the major requirements for the Bachelor of Science in Cognitive Sciences. This information is intended to provide students with a clear understanding of the coursework and requirements needed to complete the major. We will begin with a recap of the School of Social Sciences requirements before moving into the specific requirements of the Cognitive Sciences major. We will also cover departmental information and available opportunities within the department. To begin, here is a brief recap of the School of Social Sciences requirements. As discussed in an earlier video, all majors within the School of Social Sciences must fulfill a specific set of requirements: the mathematics requirement and the computer technology requirement. Cognitive Sciences majors have designated courses they must complete to satisfy these school-wide requirements. For the mathematics requirement, students must take Math 2A and Math 2B, which together cover 2 quarters of calculus, as well as the COGS 10 ABC statistics sequence, which covers 3 quarters of statistics. All of these courses must be taken for a letter grade, as they fulfill both school and major requirements. It should be noted that Math 2A may require a placement exam, depending on a student's calculus background. Students with qualifying scores from AP, IB, SAT, or ACT exams may be eligible to place directly into Math 2A or 2B without a placement exam. However, this should be confirmed with an academic advisor. For the computer technology requirement, Cognitive Sciences majors must take either COGS 14P or ICS 31. These courses must also be taken for a letter grade, as they additionally fulfill a major requirement. Moving on, we'll provide a brief overview of the Department of Cognitive Sciences and what Cognitive Sciences majors can expect to study. The department at UCI is dedicated to the investigation of the complex structures underlying human cognition, examining topics such as perception, action, memory, learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. These topics are explored through computational modeling of behavior, cognitive neuroscience, and particularly relevant to Cognitive Sciences majors, machine learning. Students will engage deeply with the cognitive neuroscience behind human functioning. This major is designed to introduce students to the theoretical foundations, as well as the experimental and computational methods of cognitive science and neuroscience research. Courses within this major include topics such as human memory, abnormal psychology, brain disorders and behavior, and perception and sensory processes. Cognitive Sciences majors also have the opportunity to participate in an honors program offered through the Department of Cognitive Sciences. This program is especially beneficial for students interested in pursuing graduate school or engaging in additional research with Cognitive Sciences faculty. Students who meet the application requirements may apply for the program during their junior year or at the end of their first year if they are transfer students. We will now cover the specific course requirements for the Cognitive Sciences degree. There are a considerable number of requirements, as this is a rigorous and demanding major. While it requires significant dedication to complete, it is highly rewarding for students with a strong interest in this field. The first requirements to discuss are the Psychology Fundamentals courses, COGS 9A and COGS 9B. These courses cover the general principles of psychology. Although they are listed as 9A and 9B, they are not sequential, and students may take them in any order. Students may also enroll in both courses during the same quarter if desired. The next set of requirements may be familiar, as they were discussed earlier in the context of the School of Social Sciences requirements. First is the Psychology Statistics sequence, COGS 10A, 10B, and 10C, which also fulfills the School of Social Sciences mathematics requirement. Students must take COGS 10A first, and may then take COGS 10B and COGS 10C in any order, or concurrently if desired. However, students must earn a grade of C- or better in COGS 10A before progressing to COGS 10B and COGS 10C, and a C- or better is required in all 3 courses. Next is the required programming course, completed through either COGS 14P or ICS 31. This course also fulfills the School of Social Sciences computer technology requirement. Following this, students must complete Math 2A and Math 2B, which also fulfill the School of Social Sciences mathematics requirement. As previously mentioned, students who do not have placement into these courses through qualifying test scores, such as AP, IB, SAT, or ACT, will be required to complete a calculus placement exam. The next required course is the Cognitive Sciences Research Seminar, COGS 109W. The W with this course denotes that it is also an upper division writing class. This course has the prerequisites of COGS 10A, passed with a C- or better, and completion of lower division writing, which students should keep in mind when planning their course schedule. Students that pass COGS 109W with a C- or better will also fulfill their upper division writing requirement. The next requirement is the Cognitive Sciences Core, which consists of 6 courses in total. The first 3 are Cognitive Sciences specific courses designed to build a foundational understanding of the major. Students must complete 3 out of the following 4 courses: COGS 105, Statistical Learning, COGS 106, Computational Lab Skills, COGS 107, Computational Modeling, and COGS 108, Neural Analytics. It should be noted that 2 of these courses, COGS 105 and COGS 108, have specific prerequisites. Therefore, students should ensure all required prerequisites are completed before enrolling in these upper division courses. For the second part of this requirement, students must complete 3 Cognitive Sciences core courses from the provided list. These courses are typically identified by a 0 at the end of the course number, which serves as an indicator that the course qualifies as a core course applicable to this requirement. Next, students must complete the Research Methods requirement, which consists of 3 courses from an approved list. These are experimental psychology courses, in which students will engage in hands-on research, designing experiments, or conducting independent research projects. These courses are typically completed during a student's 3rd or 4th year, or during their final year if they are transfer students. This is due to the numerous prerequisites involved. Students must have completed all Psychology Fundamentals courses, COGS 9A and 9B, and Psychology Statistics courses, COGS 10A, 10B, and 10C, before enrolling in any Research Methods course. The next requirement is the Background in Science requirement. There is a wide variety of courses that can fulfill this requirement, ranging from biology and language science courses to physics and statistics. Students have the flexibility to choose the direction that best aligns with their interests. For instance, students may pursue advanced mathematics courses, such as linear algebra or multivariable calculus, or they may choose courses more centered on biology or physics. A total of 6 courses must be completed to fulfill this section. It is important to note that some of these courses carry additional prerequisites. Therefore, students are encouraged to plan ahead and identify courses of interest early so that any required prerequisites may be completed in a timely manner. The final requirement for this major is the Core Electives requirement, for which students must complete 7 courses. A list of qualifying courses can be found on our Cognitive Sciences degree check, which all new students will be provided with. Additionally, the Department of Cognitive Sciences maintains an updated list on their website, specifying which COGS courses offered each quarter fulfill this requirement, as well as for other requirements of the major. Students should be assured that there are many course options available for this requirement. For more information on the Cognitive Sciences major, students may visit the Cognitive Sciences Department website. That concludes all of the requirements for the Cognitive Sciences major. A significant amount of information has been covered, and it is strongly encouraged that students in this major meet with an academic advisor early on during their time at UCI, as there are many course sequences and upper division courses that require the completion of lower division prerequisites. For any questions, please feel free to email us at socsci@uci.edu or visit the Social Sciences Undergraduate Student Affairs website. Thank you for watching.